So let's talk about how you can repurpose your video content in order to earn more money. Why? Why would we do this? Well, because you've already created the content, so why not put it out there onto the interwebs and distribute it outside of Amazon too? So here are some of the ways that I do it, some of the ways that I am ramping up, and so I wanted to share with you some of my favorite ways to repurpose the content that I've already created for Amazon. So the first one is to post your videos on YouTube. So what I've done is I've created a channel that is only the product review videos that I've created for Amazon. So I've named it the same thing that I have my Amazon brand store, Smart Business Mom. As you can see, I don't have a lot of subscribers, but that's not really the purpose. I think this is going to grow as I add more videos. I still have a lot more videos to add on there. But here's the thing. Now these videos are in one more place. You can upload your Amazon videos directly to YouTube, and then you can use an Amazon Associates link to drive people from YouTube onto Amazon. Amazon loves when you do this. They love when you bring people off Amazon onto Amazon. And then once you start doing this and once you start building up traction and subscribers and views, people are going to start clicking on your links. And then you're going to start earning because they're going to be clicking on your links, buying the thing you created a video for, and then you're going to start to see that off-site commission go up. But now you can take that content and repurpose it, distribute it off of Amazon in order to build up that other revenue stream for yourself. Just note that this does take time, but it will eventually build you another income stream, right? You've already created this content, so why not? As far as frequency goes, my goal is to post one every single day. Sometimes that drops off. I'm not the best at keeping up with this, but this is another thing that I've started to outsource. So now we are posting at least one video every single day on the Smart Business Mom YouTube channel. So just look at that. If you don't already have a channel, just go create one and start uploading your videos on there. It's just one more place. It doesn't really take a whole lot of time. Grab an affiliate link or an associates link from Amazon, and you can eventually start earning some money through that channel as well. Here's another one that I really like. We've just started this recently and plan to build it up. Creating a website and or a blog. So this is another great way that you can monetize your content because you can create blog posts using your videos, right? You can create, one post per video, or you can kind of put compilations together. Whatever makes sense for you, get creative with it, but just know that you can create your own website around all of these videos that you're already doing. You can then, just like with YouTube, link to those products using Amazon Associates links. So again, you are now taking people off of Amazon and driving them onto Amazon with the hopes that they're going to purchase the thing that you're talking about. You can create a list of products for your blogs. Just look to that. You can use your videos, you can create posts, but the thing is that you can use your associates link again to drive people onto Amazon and earn more commissions that way. Another strategy that we are just starting to test out is Pinterest. So with Pinterest, you are not allowed to directly link your Amazon affiliate links into Pinterest. However, you can create blog posts and then link to your blog posts in Pinterest, which then your blog posts will have the Amazon associate affiliate link for the product you're talking about. So you can also use this as a platform to drive traffic to certain social platforms like Pinterest. I just love being able to look at these different creative ways to build the offsite assets to grow sales. Again, Amazon is paying great for on Amazon commission, but off Amazon commission is just a whole nother opportunity. While it is definitely more difficult to make money this way because you need to have the marketing arm behind you. Amazon's not doing the marketing for you on all of these other channels, but you're already one step ahead because you've created the content. Now you just need to create a good system to distribute it and make sure that it gets out on these other platforms so that you have more opportunity to earn more money. Social media opportunities, these are the top 3 that we are testing, that we are trying. With TikTok, what you can do is you can create shorter versions of the videos that you have already created, or you can just repost exactly what you have, right? TikTok is a video platform. So if you're already on TikTok, lean into it if you're already using it. Same with Facebook. What we have started to do and what I like doing is building a following by creating a page for your brand and then posting that relevant content. Post your blog posts and things like that. Same with Instagram. You can use Reels to showcase your products from Amazon and grow your off Amazon sales. So these are just 3 social media opportunities. I know there are more out there, but these are the 3 that we are starting to use, we are testing. And again, just you've already created this content. So figure out what is the best platforms and marketplaces and websites for you to then go redistribute your content you've already created. You don't have to do all of these. If you just start with one is better than none. So don't let this list get overwhelming. Pick one that you like or pick one that you're already doing and then start to repost your content using that particular platform. Now, this is really important. You need to make sure that you stay compliant. It's a little bit different with your off Amazon links or with your Amazon Associates links because you always have to disclose that you are using an affiliate link. If you are not driving people directly to your brand store, which you absolutely can, you can use your blog, you can use YouTube, you can use social media to drive directly to your brand store, and that will have that earnings disclaimer right on there. However, I always recommend that you put your affiliate link disclosure everywhere, right? And that could be just as simple as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. This is the exact text directly from Amazon's disclosure terms that you need to have on your website in order to be compliant with them. So make sure that if you have a website or a blog, you have this on here as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. Or if you're using social media and want something quicker, you can still very clearly disclose with just a simple, paid link. You could do hashtag ad or you can do hashtag commissions earned. All of these are acceptable disclosure formats within Amazon's terms. The other thing is that you want to make sure that you update your list of websites that use your link. So over on the right-hand side here, and then underneath is the direct link to where you can update your profile and your site list. I also have a link to it underneath this video, so you don't have to go type out all of this. But here's the thing, you want to make sure that you're telling Amazon where are you pointing people to? That's your website, that could be your social media links, whatever you want to put in there, basically anywhere where you're going to be posting affiliate and associate links, you want to have within your, enter your website area. Now, I keep saying associate and affiliate. It's the same thing. Amazon calls it the Amazon Associates program. Most people know it as an affiliate program. It's the same thing. The important thing is that you stay compliant. You always disclose your affiliate links and use some of this example text that I've pulled directly from Amazon. So, I hope this video has been helpful. Just figure out what is the best thing you can start in order to start repurposing your content. And this can be something that you do. This can be something you outsource to a team member or your virtual assistant, or you can teach one of your kids to do if they're old enough to figure this out. So just more ways that you can repurpose content you've already created in order to earn more money.